Hey guys, welcome back to part 2B. Now, as you can see, I've opened up another sprite sheet. This is the Madness Combat 7 sprite sheet, and it is on the Madness Combat resources. I have put in the descriptions. It is in there. And yeah. So, I'm looking for sound effects right now, and there should be sound effects. Oh no. I'm so sorry about this. There are no sound effects in the Madness Combat 7 sprite sheet. This is a major screw up. Unfortunately, they did not make any Madness sound effects in the Combat 7 sprite sheet. There were too many items, and it took too long to make, and so they didn't add any items. But, God, hurry up. But, they did make a separate download for the Madness Combat 7 sounds. You just have to find them. Actually, I might download that really fast. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna pause the video and I'll get back to you as soon as I download the sound effects. Be right back. Alright, everyone. I found the sprite sheet. I found the sprite sheet that has sound effects on it. And also, I did switch audio with it. I made a lighter swish sound play. So now that's there. Well, actually, I'm gonna actually show you the sprite sheet that I had. I just downloaded it. Okay, right before the 10-minute mark, you might want to turn your sound down a bit so that doesn't seem very loud to you. So, next time on 2C, I guess. See ya.